Hello everybody, today we're trying stretching over split and how to stretch for the position. I will show you now some exercises. So let's start with me. So first what should we do? We will try take two blocks and take our back. So and we will start to do working. Starting to pushes for our back. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Amazing work. After takes in split and starting to push. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Taking this side and starting to this move. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. And pushes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Take the legs together and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much. So if you do this exercise every morning, every day, it will be good stretching for your splits. So this is easy exercise for you, for your better split when you have. So thank you so much. Follow me and wait watch my next videos. Bye bye.